Coach Julio. I'm just going to show you an awesome push-up variation using a monster band. Just a quick note, you want to set up the rack probably around mid-thigh for this exercise. Any lower would be more challenging, any higher would be less challenging. So here's the setup. I'll get the biggest band you have in the gym. Set it up. I'm going to have my foot elevated so I can create a little bit more instability, and you can have your feet down. So I go super wide. You want your chest, your heart to be above the band. Your back is straight. 3 count going down. 3, 2, 1. You hear a couple of things crack and pop. Not too fair. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Here's the other one, as I said before, feet on the floor. And that's it.